Keenscan Review is this website, or app legit. If you've come across Keenscan and are wondering whether it's a legitimate website or app worth trusting, or potentially a scam, this review will walk you through what Keenscan claims to offer, how it works, and important factors to consider before you download or interact with it. Keenscan is presented as a platform that may provide useful services such as scanning documents, converting files, or managing digital content from your device. The idea of a tool that helps digitize or organize files can be appealing, especially if it promises simplicity and convenience across devices. Getting started with Keenscan typically involves visiting a website or downloading an app, creating an account, if required, and granting access to files or device features needed to perform scanning or conversion tasks. A clean, easy-to-navigate interface may make the app feel smooth to use, but visual design alone doesn't confirm legitimacy or quality. One of the most important things to consider with any scanning or file handling service is transparency around functionality, pricing, and data use. Legitimate services clearly explain what features are included for free, what requires payment, and how your files are processed and stored. If this information is missing or confusing, that's a signal to be cautious. Security and privacy are especially critical with apps that access files or device features. A trustworthy platform will use secure connections, have transparent privacy policies, and request only permissions that are necessary for its core functions. If permissions seem unrelated to scanning or data management, or if privacy terms are vague, those are red flags worth noting. User feedback and reviews matter when judging legitimacy too. Verified reviews from real users that mention smooth performance, reliable scanning results, and clear reward paths can help confirm legitimacy. Generic praise or overly positive comments without detail make it harder to trust the app's claims. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Keenscan may appeal to users looking for a convenient way to scan or manage files with an intuitive interface and potentially useful tools. Easy navigation and cross-device availability can make it useful in everyday document handling scenarios. On the downside, the cons focus on transparency and trust. Unclear policies around privacy and data use, broad permissions requests, and limited verified user feedback make it harder to confirm whether Keenscan operates reliably and securely. Paywalls for key features and the app's overall value, depending on performance accuracy, also deserve careful consideration. In summary, Keenscan may be worth exploring if you want a simple tool for scanning or managing files, and the interface feels easy to use. However, opaque privacy policies, unclear permissions, and limited trustworthy feedback mean you should proceed with caution. Review permissions carefully and look for additional user experiences before committing to regular use.